Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to abandon settlement in Total War Warhammer 3. So, you begin by selecting a settlement, and as you can see here, there is a small icon, Abandoned Settlement. This will give you a small treasure, and upon clicking it, the settlement will be abandoned in the next turn. So, when we end the turn, we'll wait because turn time, especially on the first turn, because all the lords are cleaning their starting armies, or let's say their starting enemies, take really long. Well, as you can see, shut up.
A quest has been issued, mighty lord. A great adventure beckons. Be wary, though, for while the potential rewards are great, so...
As you can see, settlement is now ruined, so we don't own it. You can see it right here. Settlement 0. Now we are getting attrition, but we cannot take it.
Retake the realms.
And that's
vengeance.
it. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you later. Bye.
Grimnir's act.